we want to solve the equations below. The first of these is 21 is equal to 10x minus x squared. Clearly, this is not in the same form as previous equations in this section, so we're going to need to rearrange it. Start with 21 is equal to 10x. Take away x squared. Adding x squared to both sides of this equation gives x squared plus 21 is 10x minus x squared plus x squared, and the x squareds will cancel out. Now subtracting 10x from both sides gives x squared. Take away 10x plus 21 is 10x. Take away 10x. The 10x's will cancel, and we're left with x squared minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. We can factorize this into two brackets. To get x squared, we need x and x. And if we use minus 7 and minus 3, minus 7 times minus 3 gives the plus 21. Minus 7x minus 3x gives minus 10x. So we have x equals 7 and x equals 3 as our two solutions. Now consider 2x squared equals 8x plus 24. Subtracting 8x and 24 from both sides gives 2x squared minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. Note we have a common factor of 2 in all of the terms. Take out 2, and in the bracket we have x squared minus 4x minus 12, and this is equal to 0. So 2 times the contents of the bracket give us 0. Since 2 cannot be 0, it follows that the contents of the bracket must be 0 in order for this product to be 0. So all we need to solve is x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. We can factorize the quadratic into two brackets. We need x and x to give the x squared. To get 12, if we use 6 and 2, with this a minus and this a plus, we know that minus 6 times plus 2 gives minus 12, and we have minus 6x plus 2x giving minus 4x. The first bracket gives x equals 6, and the second bracket gives x is equal to minus 2.